Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence and big data can contribute to enhancing car performance? Welcome to the fascinating intersection of these three powerful forces. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, particularly computer systems. Big data, on the other hand, refers to the vast volume of data that is too large or complex for traditional data processing applications. Now imagine the magic that can happen when these two world-changing phenomena collide with the world of car performance. We're talking about a synergy that can lead to cars that not only drive themselves, but also optimize their own performance, learning from each journey they undertake. This is not science fiction. This is the reality of today's automotive industry, where AI and big data are driving unprecedented advancements in car performance. From fuel efficiency to safety, these technologies are redefining what we thought was possible. Today, we are going to delve into these fascinating topics and explore how they come together to revolutionize the automotive industry. But first, what exactly are artificial intelligence and big data, and why should you care about them? Well, let's break it down. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science that aims to create systems capable of performing tasks that would normally require human intelligence. This includes things like understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and making decisions. On the other hand, big data refers to extremely large sets of data that can be analyzed to reveal patterns, trends, and associations. This is especially relevant in the context of understanding and predicting human behavior. Now, why should you care? Because these technologies are rapidly transforming our world. They're reshaping industries, changing how we work, and even altering how we live our daily lives. And yes, that includes the automotive industry too. From self-driving vehicles to predictive maintenance, AI